Hey there, English learners! In today's episode, we have 5 short and fun morning conversations between parents and kids, all about breakfast, school, and daily life.
Morning, sweetie. You're up early.
Morning, Mom. I smelled pancakes.
Yep, I made your favorite. Can you grab the syrup for me?
Sure. Where is it?
In the cabinet next to the fridge.
Got it. Can I have 3 pancakes?
You bet. Sit down, I'll bring them over.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. So, what class do you have first today?
Math. It's going to be a long day.
You'll do great. Just eat up and don't forget your water bottle.
Morning, bud.
Morning, Dad. I'm starving.
Want to help me make some eggs and toast?
Yeah. Can I crack the eggs?
Go for it. But no shells this time, okay?
I'll try.
Nice job. Toast is popping up. Grab 2 plates.
Got it.
So, what time does school start today?
At 8:30. I have science first.
Perfect. You'll have time to eat and get ready.
Thanks for breakfast, Dad.
Anytime, buddy.
Good morning, kiddo.
Morning. Do we have cereal?
Yep, check the pantry. Want milk with it?
Yes, please.
Grab a bowl. I'll pour the milk.
Thanks, Mom.
Big test today?
Yeah, in history. I studied last night.
I know you did. You've got this.
What time are you picking me up?
Around 3:30. Text me if anything changes.
Okay, thanks again.
Love you. Have a good one.
Hey there, sleepyhead. Morning. What time is it? Almost 9. Hungry? Yeah? Do we have any waffles left? I think so. Want me to heat one up? Can I do it? I'm not a little kid. All right, Mr. Grown-Up. Go for it. Where's the syrup? On the counter. Don't drown it this time. No promises. Got any homework today? Just a reading assignment. Cool. Knock it out early, then enjoy your day. Deal.
Rise and shine. You've got 30 minutes.
I'm so tired.
I made toast and eggs. Come eat.
Thanks. Do I have clean clothes?
Yep, they're on your bed.
Awesome. Can you help me pack lunch?
Sure. Same as yesterday?
Yep, that works.
All right, eat first. You've got 10 minutes.
What time is practice today?
Right after school. I'll pick you up at 5.
Okay, thanks, Mom.
Let's go. Big day ahead.
Let's check out some useful English words from real conversations.
Sweetie. Sweetie. It means a loving way to call someone you care about. For example, come here, sweetie. It's time for breakfast. Pancakes. Pancakes. It means round, flat cakes cooked on a pan, eaten for breakfast. For example, I made pancakes for you this morning. Syrup. Syrup. It means sweet, thick liquid, often poured on pancakes. For example, do you want syrup on your waffles? Cabinet. Cabinet. It means a cupboard used for storing things. For example, the cereal is in the cabinet above the sink. You bet. You bet. It means yes or of course. For example, thanks for helping me. You bet. Anytime. Starving. Starving. It means very hungry. For example, I'm starving. Let's eat something now. Crack the eggs. Crack the eggs. It means to break the shell to cook the egg. For example, can you crack the eggs while I heat the pan? Shells. Shells. It means the hard part on the outside of an egg. For example, be careful. Don't drop any shells in the bowl. Popping up. Popping up. It means to come out quickly. For example, new messages keep popping up on my phone. Cereal. Cereal. It means dry food eaten with milk in the morning. For example, I usually eat cereal with cold milk for breakfast. Pantry. Pantry. It means a storage space for food. For example, we're out of rice. Let me check the pantry. You've got this. You've got this. It means to encourage someone. For example, just take a deep breath. You've got this. Text me. Text me. It means send me a message on your phone. For example, text me when you get home, okay? Sleepyhead. Sleepyhead. It means someone who is still sleepy. For example, wake up, sleepyhead. Waffles. Waffles. It means a kind of breakfast cake with square patterns. For example, we had chocolate waffles at the hotel. Heat one up. Heat one up. It means to make it warm, usually in the microwave. For example, you can take a pizza slice and heat one up in the microwave. Drown it. Drown it. It means to pour too much of something, like syrup. He likes to drown his pancakes in syrup. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. It means a fun way to say, wake up. For example, rise and shine. It's time to wake up. Pack lunch. Pack lunch. It means to prepare food to bring to school. For example, don't forget to pack your lunch before school. Big day ahead. Big day ahead. It means an important or busy day is coming. You have many things to do. For example, hurry up, we have a big day ahead.
All right, that's the end of today's episode. I hope you enjoyed listening, and we hope you learned some new English words and phrases. Want to see more daily English like this? Like and subscribe for real-life American conversations.